forgets everything. He needs his goggles. Ashley and Josie! Hey! Ashley! No, you're wet. You're wet. You're gonna go. Okay, jump. Okay. That's hot. You know he's too young for that. So Bryson, right?
Bryson, no. No.
Bryson, come here, the low, right here. No, stop, Angelo. He's gonna play with Bryson. Bring Bryson down. Earl, help Bryson down. Bryson, right there, the steps. The steps. What?
They said that we can't splash them up over there because they don't know how to swim.
Right, they have kids. Go ahead, Bryson, go down.